guys, welcome back to my video. I have a bowl of noodles. I'm gonna be eating that during this video. I'm so sorry, I cannot get this straight. Okay, 1 minute. It's going to, I'm so sorry, I'm just really hungry. Okay, I think I can just put it right here. Okay, there we go. We got it. Okay, yeah. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm so sorry. I've been trying to make this video over and over again. I'm just not getting it right. So basically, I finished bag 1 and now I'm going to bag 2. I kind of already did a little bit of bag 2. I already did bag 2, and next time, like when I get to like bag 3, I'll update you as soon as I can. So yeah. Okay. So like I thought it would be like a really short video, like at least like 30 minutes, I don't think. At least 30 minutes. But yeah, it was not 30 minutes. It was like more like, it would become like a movie, like a 1 hour video, movie. So, I am going to do 5 steps. When I said tutorial, I did not mean like that tutorial. I just said like 5 steps, and then yeah, I don't want to do a tutorial because last time it was like a 17 long video. So right now I'm just gonna do like a 5 or 10 minutes. I did not take this as planned, so yeah. I'm just gonna go over 5 steps, and then you can look on a different video. Try to find how to build this one, or you could have just used the pamphlets that you get. Easy, but okay, whatever. So let's start with step 1. Okay, it's gonna be really hard. So we need 2. You guys need 2 of these pieces. I don't know what these are, but 1 minute. Oh my God, what the hell? So basically, you need 2 of these pieces. 2 of these. 1 minute, let me get the other one. It is lost in the forever lands. Man, what the hell happened? It's gone. Okay, never mind. I found it. So you need 2 of these. And you need 2 of these as well. 1 minute. You need 2 of these. 2 of these. And then you need, what else? 2 of these half circle, symmetrical stuff, whatever. I don't know what these are, what pieces they're even called, or the number. So, yeah. So, and then you need these 2 pieces. So, this is just, like, our starting. So, first we're going to put let's put these 2, because it's at the front. And so, yeah, right here. So we're putting 1 right here, so as you can see. So we're going to be taking this, and we're going to put it right here. Sorry. Okay, and then we're going to take this, and we're going to do the same with the other side. Okay. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. And then we're going to turn to the side. Right here, well, on an angle, so y'all guys can see. Let me just put it like that, okay? Then we take this one, and then we put it right here. Right there. We take this one, and we do the same with the other side. Like that. And now, we just cover up, yeah. So then we just cover up this much. With these 2, 1, blah, I don't know what these are, but there's something. So this is what it should look like. That's what it should look like. Let's just add Mickey Mouse real quick. It's me, Mickey Mouse. There we go. So this is what you should look like. So yeah. So now, as you can see that there's like these like white holders, But if you go over here, you see how like there's the blue one is odd. It's really odd, like. But right now, all we have to do is just take the odd one, and we just gotta put these two. I don't know why they put. I don't know why they did that like earlier. They didn't do that like earlier, but like why didn't they do it earlier? I have absolutely zero idea. Do not ask me. But like, I think what they tried to do is like since it's odd, you have to do it like later in the build. So yeah, that's what I think it is. But so far, I'm this far into the packets. And now, yeah. Wait, how many steps was that? 1, 2. Okay, yeah, there's 2. Only 3 more to go. 3s. Okay, so now these are going to be little pieces. So I recommend you keeping a close eye on these. You need 4 golden 1x1. 4 gold by 1x1. 4 of them. And you need... where'd it go? 1... And then you need 1x1, and you need 4 of these white 1x1s. Just 4. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to just put these out in like, here, I'll just show you. So you're going to do a pattern. So just like white and yellow. So right now, you just do this. It doesn't really matter what you go with, but like I did white and yellow. So then you're gonna do this on all, like you're gonna do it like here and here. So that's all where you're gonna put it. So I'll just go through this and I'll show you at the end. Yeah, and for this one, as you can see, there's only 2 on this side. You need 2 on this. But hey, there's 4, so you just put it in the middle. So right in the middle. I'll show you what it's like. Oh, there goes the bridge. Don't worry, I got the bridge. And here we are. That's what it should look like. Now, let's cover all of this and make sure the people don't get wet for the rain. Now we're gonna need 4 of these. You're gonna need 4. You're gonna need 4 of these pieces, just 4 of them. And then you're gonna need 1 of these, 1x4 or 1x4. That's all you're gonna need for the roof. Now, you're just gonna have to do like, I'm just trying to see how they did it. Yeah, so, I see. Oh, I'm so sorry. This camera is just, oh. So, there we go. Right here. Okay. Now, let's just put there. Oh my god. I am so sorry, guys. I am so sorry. Let's just stick with this. Should have put something underneath there. Don't worry, everything's gonna be all right. Okay. This is what it should look like so far. You're gonna have to put the 4x1 right here. These 2 plates on each side like that, and you might want to make sure that the flat side wants to face these 2, white and yellows. So now what you're gonna need is you're gonna need 1 of these You're gonna need one of these. Actually, no, you need 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we got 3 of them. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need some of these. I don't know if you can see them, but you're gonna need 3 of these. Here, let me just show you. 3 of these, and then you're gonna need 1 of these. Oh my God, just one of this, just one, and you're gonna need 1 of these, just one. I'll show you what it's gonna be. So first, let's start off with our. So let me show you. So we're gonna put this right here. Right here. Right there. Facing outwards. And then we're gonna put this one right behind it. Like that. We're gonna take these 2. And you're just gonna line them on these side. See? Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. See? See? So, now, this is our last step. Let's see. Yep, this is our last. So, just cover everything up with, tile, yeah. Everything is finally covered up. So, now, all finished with bag 30, but right now, lunch.